This is my 1988 Acura Legend I picked up for $350 after it sat for 10 years. I've been going through it trying to get it to run. First I fixed some corroded wiring, pulled out the fuel pump, and pumped all the old gas out of the tank. Put in a new fuel pump, bled the old gas out of the fuel line, checked the timing belt, looked good, and the cap and rotor looked decent. With that ECU fuse being blown, I figured there's a good chance the ECU saw too much moisture under the seat where it sat for a decade with a leaking sunroof. So I picked up another ECU, only $30 on eBay. You can still get these new from Acura for almost $1,000. Might as well try a few used ones first. Here's that extra module for the auto tranny that bolts on to the bottom of the ECU. Or so I thought. Timer radiator fan? Okay, new ECU installed. Old ECU. Both of these are California specific since this is originally a California car. Different emissions, I guess? Let's give her a whirl. I hope the ECU was the fix. Oh, seems to be cranking a little faster. But still no start. I'm trying to save you, dude. Don't make me part you out. Alright guys, I tried to start it some more off camera and it sputtered a little. So I stopped, I got the camera out just in case it fires up. We'll all see it happen for the first time in a decade. I think it's gonna happen. Oh, come on. She wants it. That was getting close. Man. Sounds like more cylinders are trying. There it is! First start in 10 years. It's alive. Mostly. It's rough. Really rough. The engine is shaking. The whole car is vibrating. Sounds like a tractor. Probably an acorn or something bouncing around in there. Yeah, she's alive, but not well. It doesn't even want to rev up much. I think next on the list is a tune-up. Cap, rotor, plug wires. Fuel filter wouldn't hurt. That old gas was pretty gross. We'll give her some fresh oil and a filter too. Hey, no check engine light. That's a plus. Well, it's alive. I'm happy. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and stay tuned. I'll check back in with a fresh tune-up and we'll see how it does.